Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to search for story effects on Instagram. So let's start. Well, if you want to add a story on Instagram and you want to add an effect there, well, actually you will find it in the right corner and you will find all the effects that you have for videos. However, if you want to get more effects, you have to find it when you create a reel on Instagram. So then let's take off this one and just let's go back, and then let's go to the plus mark and you have to select the video. In this case I want this. Just press next, and well, as you can see, this automatically give you a reel. Now let's go to effects. Okay, so if you want to create an effect or download an effect, just click there and here you will find the effects. You can see that there is a lot of effects for Instagram. If you want to looking for an effect, just go to the search button and then you can, for example, let's find blue and just click on search and just wait until this load and just select the one that you want to use. In this case I want this, and you can see that effect start. Now if you like this effect, just save. You can see in the left side, you can see the icon, just save, and then just to go back, just start over, and then let's back. Now let's go to our story. Let's upload. Now let's go to our story. Let's select the video. In this case I want this, and then again select the effect icon, and here you can see that there is the effect that we have just saved. So as you can see, it's very easy. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.